How to fix network cable unplugged error in Windows 10 and 11. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is over here you will find the search box, type in view network connections. Once app appears, open it. Now go ahead and click on the option of Ethernet, double click on it. Different options will appear, click on the option of properties. Now over here you're going to find different options, click on this one option, QoS. Once you click on it, click on the option of configure and then click on yes. Now here you're going to find different options, click on the option of speed and duplex and then on the value section click on that drop down and set it to 100 Mbps and full duplex and then click on OK. Now I can go ahead and check whether your problem has been solved or not. If you're still having the issue, on the value section click on that drop down and set it to 10 Mbps and full duplex and then click on OK. By this your problem will be fixed. Likewise, heading towards next solution, close this. Now you have to run a command prompt. So over here you have to type in command prompt. Once app appears, right click on it and then click on the option of run as administrator. Now over here you will need to type in the command prompt ipconfig //DNS and then press enter. Now go ahead and type in another command prompt native winsock reset and then press enter. Now you have to give fresh restart to your PC. For that you can close this. Click on the start icon given at the bottom left corner. Click on this power icon. Now click on the option of restart. Once you complete these steps, you will be good to go. Following these steps, you can easily fix network cable unplugged error in Windows 10 and 11. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.